Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase virtual memory in Windows 11 machine. And the reason you want to increase the virtual memory because you want to get better performance, especially when you are doing multitasking, when you are working on different operations simultaneously. You want to increase your virtual memory to have a better performance. So in order to do that, first you need to go to the view advanced system settings under control panel. Open this and then you will go to the advanced settings option, and then you will go to the settings under performance. Open this, then go to advanced and go over here in the virtual memory section, change and uncheck this option. Okay, and then you will click custom size. Okay, now with respect to my RAM, let me show you the size of my RAM. Go to about your PC under system settings and you will see 16 GB is installed as far as my RAM is concerned. So I'm going to cancel it from here. Now with respect to 16 GB, so the initial size should be this, the maximum size could be this. Okay, so I'm going to set it with respect to this. So let me just copy and paste, just copy and paste, and just copy and paste it over here. So the formula for calculating these values are, look, if you have 4 GB RAM, so the initial size should be RAM multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1024. The maximum size should be RAM multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1024. This will be the maximum size. Okay, so now custom size, okay, initial size, maximum size. Now you will click set. Okay, it has been set. Now what you need to do, you just need to click OK. After that you will click OK and then click OK. Okay, now is the time to restart your computer. Okay, now let me just check my C drive. Yeah, the space has been reduced. So now the better is to just restart your computer. So I will see you after the restart. So I'm done with the restart. Go to view advanced settings again, click this, go to advanced settings, go to advanced and just check. Yeah, changes have been done. So in the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.